Hello, hello, and we are live. Okay, welcome back. My stream tonight. We are slightly earlier than yesterday because now it's 7 minutes to midnight. Yesterday I started streaming 5 minutes to midnight, so a couple of minutes earlier. All right. Uh, uh, Well, what I plan for today or tonight's stream is updating Haleluya Digital, but let's do a couple of songs tonight. So, and I also found out the couple of bugs, issues that we found yesterday. The first one is about, I think this is a rather important bug to fix, which is the note that is played in each. Like for example, the first song, this one is in C equals do. If we press the note, the one note, it will play. Hmm, hmm. Maybe my voice doesn't exactly match the sound of the note, but you can hear the note. Yes. Hope. Okay, and let's move to another song. This one is in uh, S equals do, but if we click the one note, you can hear there is no difference. So somehow the note uh, that is played for the one note in these two songs are the same, but you're expecting a different note because um, these two songs are in different key signature. Okay, and let's jump into the source code first. And after digging around, I found out I actually already code what note should be the base note. As you can see here, there's a variable, an identifier called base note. And well, this is actually quite weird conditionals because a couple of them are based on the song number. Then another three are based on the key signature. Well, the most proper way for these conditionals are to let them depend on the key signatures. We don't need to hard code every song number because yeah, the key signature is much less than the number of songs out there. So we don't need so many conditionals. Okay, and if you look a little bit below these conditions, you can see on line 72, I actually hard coded AB4 in this second parameter of the as the second argument of the load sound function. If we search load sound function, this is actually a function that we store in context, React context. We call this context is the audio React context. And what this function does is, hello, let me bring the mic closer so my voice will be heard by you guys. Yeah. Mm, yes, this is the load sound function. This is the its definition. Here you can see we take two arguments. The first is the audio buffer. Uh, this is um where we store the we passed in the audio buffer. To be honest, I already forgot what audio buffer is, but I think it's basically like the audio data that we are going to play throughout the speaker or through the sound output of the user. So and the second argument is uh, a base note, which actually this is a file, an MP3 file, uh, containing the sound of the note. For example, this C4, if we open this C4 MP3 and we play it. Okay, wait a second. I think stream, I don't know whether you guys can see my stream changing screen. Oh yeah, yeah, I think you can. Uh yeah, as what I was saying, this C4 is actually an MP3 file that plays the C4 note. And what we do here is, uh, well, uh, we want to put the C4 voice, the sound of C4, into the audio buffer that will be played. So that's why the function is called load sound. And in the music notation component, yeah, the notation component, here we can see that we use the load sound function inside the handle click, where it basically is called whenever someone clicks on the note, and our click handler will load the the base note, or the note equals, I mean, like the note that corresponds to the number that is being clicked into the audio buffer. And after that, uh we we start the uh we start playing the sound. That's basically how the sound is being played whenever the note or the number is clicked. Now, I think 15 months ago, in October 6th, 2022, I when I try adding contentful to this uh, project, I hard I accidentally hard coded the base note. So the simple fix to this issue is actually just to use the identifier base note, the variable, yeah, the variable base note. How you variable? Oh, we can cut. Yeah, let's close all my work related. I think that's all on the. Okay, I think no, nothing is seen. Thing important is was seen by you. Okay, let's continue. And if we save this, we go to the local web local web app. Let's try clicking one the num uh, the one notation number one notation. Let's just call this number notation. This is the number one notation. Okay, failed to execute. And the reason for this is well, for song number one, you can see there's no condition. So let's check whether the first song has a kick signature. And as we can see, the keys, we don't have any key signature. So we need to put key signature, and let's check. This is C equals do. So actually, we don't need any sharp or flat. Let's put 0 as the key signature, and we need to handle key signature of 0 here. So let's put it here in between 2 and -1. If props key signature equals 0, the bass note will be C4. Yeah, I think this is the C4. Let's import the C4 MP3 file and make it here. Okay, I hope now it works. Okay, okay. Right, let's try clicking the number one notation again. Okay, still failed to. And the reason for this, let's see. Okay, I think we only need to refresh the page because initially in this development, I mean like initially when this page is rendered, um, the data that is being used for this page has no key signature, and after we add the key signature field, uh, the data not yet, I mean like the page is not yet aware of the new key signature field. So let's try refresh the page again, clicking the number one notation. Yeah, now we can hear the C equals do number one. Okay, I think I need to find a better terminology for this, but let's go for number one now. Mm, this is C equals do. If we move the second song, which has S equals do key signature, you can hear there's a difference. Uh, and while we are at this, let's uh, let's remove the condition that is checking the song number instead of the key signature. I mean, like for the second song, we want the bass note to be AB4, and here we can see we already handle, or we already correspond the bass note to AB4 when the key signature is -4. So we go back to our hard-coded JSON. The only thing we need to add is the key signature field for number to the second song. So if we add -4, I think if refresh the key signature, yeah, it will appear here. And because the key signature already appear at top, uh, at the top, we don't need to uh, display it again here. Remove it, this one as well. wait for the first song and let's refresh. Yeah, you can see there is no key signature here anymore. And if we press, wait, do we did we already remove the, oh no, not yet. Okay, let's remove this. Save. Hopefully it still works. Yes, it still works. And one more hard coded condition. Okay, I think 3 minutes. I mean, like, screen is too small. Let me zoom in a little bit so everyone can see a little better. Now, the third song, we navigate to it. The key signature is F equals do, and as you can see, the key signature appears twice. One on top, at the beginning, and another one after the musical notations. Uh, so we should remove the one just before the lyric. That is the one that we hard coded in the lyrics. Yeah, let's refresh. Yeah, as you can see, now the key signature only appear on top. And because we already add key signature in here, we can safely remove the condition that checks song number. Okay, and I believe this still works. Do, do, do. This is F equals do. Listen and compare to the first song, is C equals do. Do. So F equals do is like the fa in this key major. So do, re, mi, fa, fa. But on the in the third song, this is the do, the fa, do. See, so yeah, that's why it says F equals do. Okay, a good progress. And then another issue that we encountered is this, where the update is already free version 1.1.10, but the version besides the name, the app name, still is showing 1.1.8. And after I look into the component, you can see here it refers to a constant, and the constant is actually from this file, and the constant value is actually being read from the package.json. So the only thing that we need to update is here, the version field from in package.json. If we update it to 1.1.10 and save, voila, the version written here is updated as the same version as the first entry in the update log. Should I say the latest entry? Yeah, the latest entry. Now for tonight's stream, let's add, I mean, besides fixing a couple of issues, we should we should we should update the, I mean, we should commit these two fixes first. My habit is to check uh for like just a brief moment whether the changes that we are going to commit are the one that we expect. So let's add commit message. fix base hard coded base node as well as update version in in okay. Now for the two songs that I would like to add, okay, actually there's one more issue, which is this. If we look in our uh, here, if we look here in the wait, yeah, the the number two notation is actually having a bar on top of it, but in our uh, sorry, in the in the in the web app, there's actually no bar above the number two notation here. So I think this is an issue with uh, the way that I write the notation. Yeah, I forgot the way to add the top bar. And let me enter, or let me sign into my contentful account. I need my uh, phone for the two-factor authentication. In a second. I got my phone. I forgot to turn on the aircon. Aiyo, so hot here. Right, me a moment. Okay, okay, we are in now. Let's move. I mean, like, let's go to the fourth song and song here. If we go see the yeah, if we see here, we put a square bracket, a pair of square brackets enclosing the dot, and there's a space and there's two. Well, if we look at other songs, see sample. I think I already support it. No. Let's check song and song 307. Look at 307. Yeah. We want this top bar to appear, but now there's no. So let's see how we do it here. Oh, okay. We use this field called decoration. Okay. Uh, yeah, this is an interesting, and let me explain it for well. Well, it's not really hard. Um, so my idea is to signify where the top bar uh starts and when the top bar ends. So every notation that has something else in their position, I mean, like around them, other than the number notation, my idea is to add decoration field for that notation. For example, this dot notation. I know dot is not a number, but yeah, I mean like you got my point, I think. So we need to use this OTD decoration in the dot here. Me open. No. Let me change it here. So I think we should copy and paste this dot there as the notation, and as the decoration we can use OTD. Okay, and here we can specify two. One thing that I'm not sure is where I put the lyric. Okay, I put the lyric in the number notation, the dot. So here we already got the lyric. We just need to add decoration. And I remember correctly, OTD is like opening top, D means dash maybe, and CTD is the closing top dash. Guess so. Let's publish the change and refresh. Yeah. Now it works as expected. Okay, there's a couple more places that we need to add the top bar. This here, the dot 2 here, and the dot 4 here. Okay, let's change it here. The lyrics agak aganupan. Ah yeah, there it is. Let's copy and paste this. Two. This one is only dot. There's no lyric for this. And we add decoration. Is the opening, and this is where the closing dash. Okay. Uh and then one more place where we need to add is here. Are all of okay, yeah. Here we should put only dot, and then no lyric, and the decoration is OTD here. Here we have a CTD. Session should be only for. Okay, let's publish the change. Press our web app and voila. Okay, this looks weird because the dot actually appears in different line to the next node. But I, for now, let's just leave it that way. And there's still a lot of room for improvement, but yeah, let's leave it for tonight. We'll get there. We will improve the display of the notes. Now, let's close I think this is a lesson for me. For next stream, I should close all the apps that are not related to the stream, especially ones related to my work. Don't want to spoil or get spill, today kids terminology. We don't want to spill anything confidential. Okay, anyway, where are we? Okay. We want to add the fifth song, the notes for the fifth song. So let's go here, and yeah, we see the data for the fifth song. Create new song. Okay, let's copy and paste the title. Number is 5. Key signature is C equals do. So 0 or no flat or sharp. The category is doding puji-pujian. Let me see. Oh, okay. I think it's better to write it. Yeah, it's doding puji-puji. Hmm. I don't understand how I I add the hyphen in between these two words because category in the JSON is the category has no hyphen. Somehow it's rendered with a hyphen. Okay, never mind. And copy the YouTube ID here and copy the lyrics because we already add a key signature. We don't need to add t equals do again. Let's start with this. How do you call this? This the what do you call this? This the rhythm notation? I don't know. Let's just copy and paste it there for now. Okay, and fix the new line character. And while we are at this, let's also proofread the lyric. I will fix the line first and then we go through the lyric word by word. Okay, it has quite verses. There are 6 verses. Yes. Okay, let's go one verse at a time. Puji, tolong ni atemu, oh Tuhan Yesus, kin kamu uondoskon ai iya no aido napinindomo in uhalupahon ma diriku mikir holong ni atemu. Okay, first is correct. Sai ipindahi ham doahu hampe huha si holido. Itogu uhurmu uhurhu halani ai huberedo. Ipiliham hinan tonduihu aipe hupiliham Tuhanku. Okay, the third one. Let me check my stream for now. Of course, no one's watching because everyone's sleeping at midnight. Okay, the fourth verse. Bamu sadokah ni dokah ni awon o Jesus Tuhan kin. Kamalah haganub opung ni gogoku pakon artakin. Ai iberehon ham darohmu nggalar utang ni dosaku. Ai doma au ipar jabolon ibolis pakon dosakin. Dosakin kom sepi. Diatema ham roh o Tuhan manaron uhum bakuin. Itaron hamdo hamatean mambahen baku hagoluhan. Okay. O Jesus, koranmu uhirhon bagas torang bay u ase tarsurat ilobehu Tolong ni atemu tong. Kataku apa parlohuhu ningon ipsido goranmu. Okay, yeah, I think the lyrics are fine now. Let's move on to the footnotes stated here. So we copy and paste here. Nah, interesting part. But I think I think we can let's remove the fields that we are. Okay, move. This. Okay. If we publish this, what happened to the existing page? If we refresh, okay, nothing happened. I think it's because it still reads from the JSON. All right. Let's continue writing the music notation as yes before. We will write it in VS Code. Easier authoring. Okay, this song is longer than yesterday's song. So let's do our best. And we don't put a divider right now. We will add it later after we finish the whole song. I think we can just snippet here, make things faster. Ah, okay, let's copy and paste. And here we can. I don't know whether this is the correct way. Okay, this is. Uh, I mean, a sec. Curly bracket. Yeah, I think it's all. Comma here. Description. Add a single notation. Save. Let's try it out. Ooh. Okay, I missed something. I missed a comma here. Let's try again. Ooh. Okay. See? It's slightly faster now. Again. Ah, nice. Okay, okay. I don't know why am I so excited over this snippet thing. Okay, this is I want to represent one octave. Uh, again I forgot. How do I represent one octave? There, well, there is a lower octave. How do I how do I print a lower octave? Or we use comma. Oh, okay, I think we use dot. Yeah, we use dot represent an octave, a higher octave. Okay. Use this again. Okay, how long? Knee. Okay. 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 Wait. Wait. I got the other way around. Oh my god. This one should be the notation and this is the lyric. I think I did this same mistake long time ago. Okay. So first we need to add notation and then the lyric. Remember notation first. Notation first. Then the lyric. Notation. Lyric. Notation. Now the stream is getting boring, right? I think I need to do this outside the stream, so it won't be a boring stream for you all. But for now, you just have to bear with me because this is what I have in mind for the stream. Okay, let's go. Continue. Is hmm. Well, I want to have a feature where the user can swap verse, the lyric of the first verse with other verses in the song. But yeah, I haven't got time to come up with the data structure where I can easily swap the lyric for each note. Yeah, I need to think about that soon. I mean, it's a really cool feature if I can see the note and the second verse. Just okay, let me finish this, or I will try to speak while I'm typing, but it's not as easy as it sounds. Uh, so okay, what I wanted to say just now is if I can put the note on the second or other verses as well. The if I or if anybody sing the other verses other than the first one, they get to see the while singing. I mean, as simple as that. Because uh, because if we are reading the real Hallelujah directly, it also only has the note for the first verse. So if you sing the other verses, you need to move your eyes between the note on top and the lyrics for the other verses at the bottom, or even worse on the next page. And that's why I want to have the feature to display the note for other verses, or to swap the lyric of the first verse with the other verse. Y- we will get to the point later on this year. I hope. Um, yeah. I'm pretty sure that I make mistakes somewhere. Uh, it's okay. Let's continue for now. This autocomplete is not really helping. Mm. Now this is interesting because okay, because we have this. Let me show you. We have this. Where is it? Yeah, something like this. We have this curvy line connecting one node to another. We have it here as well. Again, I forgot whether I already support that kind of notation. Okay, let's keep the curvy line now. I mean, because this is midnight, I don't really have any brain cell to think something clever. Someday I think I will have the willpower and the cleverness to come up with something clever at midnight, but not now. I need to build up my stamina first, and this is how I grind. Yeah, I proof. Okay, I think we can use a decoration. Is it? Yes. Okay, we are uh 3/4 into the song. Mm. Wait a second. Yeah. Okay, we are done for the note, the number note, and the lyrics. Now let's add the bar or the separator. Just forgot how I need to copy and paste. Put it here. It's actually tiring, to see this till midnight. My head is slightly hurting now. Well, the other song after this is quite short. You can make it song first. Oh wait, why didn't I play any background song? That's why it's so quiet. Yeah, okay. I forgot to play the background music for the stream to be more interesting. Now we have some music. Honest music. Okay, where am I? Okay, here. Oh my. Okay. Oh wait. Save here. Need to save. Publish change. Okay. Publish successfully. Let's refresh this and yes. Okay. One thing that I noticed is there's no new line for. I mean, well, in the real Hallelujah, it doesn't really have any clear separation of new line. I mean, like for each sentence. Or maybe keep it this way. Let's just proofread again for the first verse. Okay, let me pause the background music so we can ensure that the notes are correct and not only written correctly but sound correctly. Oh, okay, okay. So we got into a problem here. So for the octave, we actually don't represent it with a dot. I think we should represent it with an apostrophe. This one here, here. There any for octave? No. Okay, let's copy and paste it. Just changes again. Refresh. Yes. Okay. Correct. Oh my god. I forgot. I forgot how to render an octave, a higher octave. So let's try again. So mi fa sol fa do la mi sol mi re sol mi. Okay, I think we need a dot here. In. Okay, kin. Bam. So mi fa sol sol fa do la sol mi fa sol mi re. Do, si, do, mi, re, do, si, la, sol, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. All right. Okay. Think we did it for this song. Okay. Actually, it's already 1 hour, but let's go. Let's add one more song. The sixth song. Um, leave it there for fifth song, and let's go to the fifth song. New song. Number six. G signature. G equals do. Okay, let's refer to our circle of fifths. G is one sharp, and well, if we go to our notation component, I think we haven't supported it yet. Okay, let's support the bass note. Key signature one. Do I already have the file? I hope so. Yes. Okay. Now we assign G4 node or G4 file as the base node. Okay, we save and then we will go back to the contentful. We add the one as the key signature. Category is also loading puji-pujian. And the YouTube ID for this is it. The lyrics. We don't need the key signature here. Just copy this. Okay, there are 15 verses. Oh my god. Okay, let's do it clever for this one. We can just wait. We can just replace the new line as literal new line. Nice. Okay, this is what we need. So next time we don't need to manually replace the new line character. We can just find and replace all from our editor. Okay, nice. And footnotes. I mean, this is what happen when you have very limited time or very limited energy to do something. You start thinking in shortcuts. All right. RMI. Oh yeah. The footnote. And now the music notation. Okay, this is the part that weak. still cannot find a shortcut. Well, we already made a snippet, so that one considered as a shortcut compared to how we did it yesterday. Let me show you the song in the real Hallelujah. This is only two, how do you call this? Two bar? No, not two bars. Just say two lines. Okay. And the notes, they are actually quite simple. There's no note with decoration. So I think we can do this pretty fast. Okay. Oh, let me turn on the hey, let me turn on the background music for you guys. And let me switch to my editor so you can see while I'm adding notations. Ah, how do we turn off this auto or these suggestions from VS Code? It's helpful, but now most of the time it's not really helpful. See? Wait. Let us googling. Let us Google how to turn off that VS Code suggestion. We turn it off. Will it still appear? I don't know. Let's try. Well, it still appear, but oh wait, I almost made a mistake. It should be notation. It's the lyric. I think suggestion is still. we already finished the musical the sound notation. Now we need to add the bar, the divider notation. And yeah, then here, and then here, and then here, and then here, then here, and then where is it? Here, and yep, we are done. Now we only need to see how is it fixed. Okay, seems good, but I think we can make it better by placing. No. I think this is fine because you can see the number of notes in each bar pretty well like this. So again, let me pause this background music for now, and let's try singing the notes. Check for correct sound. Ooh, different, right? Do, 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 do. Okay. I think this is correct. Do, la, sol, do, re, mi, re, mi, sol, do, sol, mi, sol, mi, re, sol, do, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, it sure sounds nice, but I think we miss one step, which is to proofread. So let us proofread. Hamdu uhuron Jehovah Tuhan kin ambilan kondo tong tong. I think we need to add one here. Let's read it here. Uh, correct it. Correct the mistakes directly here. Danuk binain muin. Okay. Kuboto ham do bonani nadear haganu ibere ham bue hunjin banami haganu ayaha manadong hinan banai na sombuon danu ibere ham hinan o naibata tongon ai ham do na margogoin itopal haganup ham do na pagoluh konin marmuduhon ganup Bai langit na marganjang in na herbang songon kain maribu-ribu bintang in tor ise ma mambain ai ise na malayak in manonggor hitaon na mangarbahi jumain pagolu haganup kok ome ganup hobon in kumbani ise da apa ganup panganonin lang humbay naibata. O naibata hamdo bayak sibere hanayon. Ay hamdo natongtong layak manupak jolmaon. Okay, so far so good. Ihata hampe hanayon malani dosain. Irik do holongmu tongtong mangidah ganupin. Ay anggo pusok uhurhin halani dosakin urah do mulak uhurmu manasap salakin hamdo mangapoh gaganup na pusok uhurin ya pus hamdo haganup iluh-iluh niin Saihirahon ham hape bani dunia on by daging pakon tonduipe itongos ham tong tong ale tondui hu ho peda sai ulang ho cornok hatundalanmu nai bata itopa haganuk sing ongga salah nai bata bai ginom gomniin ibahen barang ahada deardo ujungnin paturut nai bata gelah pator salangkah min ase tong tong sonang holah timbul pa tuah min. Okay, we proofread all the verses and looks good. Now we just need to update the version here at Anki. This is version 1.1.11 because well yeah technically there's no new feature so we still in the first minor version we just add song the notes for the song and fix some bugs. So publication, let's make it 4th January and let's make it let's make this when let's make the time uh of when how do you guys let's make the time to be the time when I started the stream. Yes, yes. And description. Okay, description. Need to see how I write it. Copy and paste. No, no, let's not talk and asa. No, no, no. Yeah. Here, if use Simalungun. I think fix in Simalungun is also perbaiki, perbaiki, and not sora, sora ni not na lang andihut di kunci ni, kunci ni, kunci ni loading. Nah, nah, okay, okay. I think this sounds Simalungan enough. Okay, next. Well, the version thing is not really fixed. It's something that I forgot. So don't need to put it. It. I think that's all. So let me let us erase the hard coded field this and we save it. Let's look at what we changed. Okay, this change. Let's commit. Mm, we can say sport 0 and 1 is 6 years, and also we move hardcore data for 5, 6. Wait. I think we need to publish first, and then we can push. Why? So we can. Uh, so the changes in Contentful can be published. Yeah, you can see it's now building. Let's play the memory game. Yesterday we got all 8 pairs in 16 moves. Let's do better today. Yep, jellyfish. Okay, okay, okay. Nice, nice. All right, we are 3 moves. Uh, 3 moves. Uh, 3 moves less. Okay, 3 moves less than how we did yesterday. Yesterday we got all 8 pairs in 16 moves. Now in 13 moves we can open all 8 pairs. Yeah, but the deploy is in progress, so let's play again. We finish it too quickly. This thing called confetti. Yeah, okay. We improved by 1 move. Now it's we open all in 12 moves. We got lucky here. Okay, now it's deployed. Let's refresh on the production side. And let's see. Oh yeah. Come on. I always forgot this, but never mind. Nice. We can see the latest update here. Perbaikan Sorani not nalang mandi huti kunci ni doding bahkan not angka doding nama not rangka. Nice, nice. I think that's all for night stream. I don't think anyone watched the stream, right? It's okay. I'm pretty happy with today progress. There are 2 songs that update in Haleluya Digital. Um, and well, maybe you don't know because I didn't tell you so far, but in the past 4 days, um, I also do lead code problem daily. One problem daily. So I plan to make video explaining how I get into the solution and explaining how I yeah, more or less how I think of the solution. But mm, I don't know. I haven't figured out the format for it. I mean, I already did the problem, so how do I explain it? I mean, like maybe I cannot recall steps anymore. But oh well. Yeah, sooner or later I will stream uh myself doing lead code problem or explaining lead code problem to you, my friends. Okay. Let me not speak any further and let us rest for those who are in Indonesia or in time zones that are uh, similar to us. Again, thank you for watching tonight's stream. See you in the next update. I don't think I can stream for the 5th of January because I need to um, visit a friend of mine with my wife. So maybe I just post an update in my YouTube account. Again, thank you and have a good night. Stay healthy. Bye.